Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. If you sell pre-owned clothing on sites like eBay, Mercari, Poshmark, or Facebook, you're in the right place. We're going to check out the top 20 brands of dresses selling on eBay for at least $20. I've starred the top 5 brands for most solds, and we'll see which brand on the list has the highest percent sell-through. Let's get started. Our first brand is J. Jill. This sold for $34.99 and $7.49 shipping. This is a denim embroidered dress, sleeveless. This happens to be J. Jill denim, and it's an extra large. The dress is 100% cotton. Sell-through rate is 29%. Now we have BCBG Max's Aria. This is a tiered ruffle dress. It's cap-sleeved. It sold for $28 and $9.40 shipping. Here's the label. And this dress is silk, cotton, nylon, and a little bit of spandex. The sell-through rate is 7%. I did note the top selling features. For color, it was black, then blue, then multicolor. The top selling styles were A-line, pencil, and fit and flare. For fabric, polyester was number 1, then cotton, then rayon. Now we have Lilly Pulitzer. This is a sleeveless summer dress. It's a coral ocean themed. It sold for $29.99 and $5.98 shipping. Lilly Pulitzer is known for colorful patterns. Alright, so the tag is usually in pink with her signature. And this dress is 100% cotton. Sell-through rate for Lilly Pulitzer is 16%. Calvin Klein. This sold for $32 and $8.30 shipping. It's a gorgeous floral print. It's short sleeve. Here's the Calvin Klein label. It's a little blurry. And the material, it's polyester and spandex. The sell-through rate is 14%. Now we have Talbot's. This happens to be a vintage dress, but Talbot's in general is selling. This sold for $22.99 and $10.99 shipping. This is a long maxi denim dress. It's also a button-up. Here's the vintage label for Talbot's. And this is 100% cotton. The sell-through rate is 17%. Now we have Ann Taylor. This dress sold for $22.99 and $6.99 shipping. It has bell sleeves and a scoop neck. Here's the label. And this dress is mostly polyester with a little bit of spandex. Ann Taylor has a sell-through rate of 5%, which is very, very low compared to all the other dresses. Now we have Bowden. This dress sold for $40.50. Shipping was $6.85. This is a lovely sleeveless polka dot dress. Here's the tag for Bowden. And this dress was 100% cotton. Bowden's sell-through rate is 24%. J. Crew. This dress sold for $59.99 and $10.75 shipping. This dress also has a cap sleeve. Here's the label. If you see a J. Crew with 2 diamonds underneath, that means it's part of the outlets and is a lower quality from J. Crew. This dress is viscose, polyamide, and elastane. The sell-through rate is 7.5%. Diane von Furstenberg. This sold for $69.99 and $8.95 shipping. It's a lovely wrap dress with a tie waist. It's long sleeve and collared. Let's take a look at the tag. So here is the label for it. This was 100% silk. The sell-through rate is 14%. Now we have Anthropologie. This is Farm Rio from Anthropologie. It sold for $120 and $12 shipping. This is a gorgeous dress with lots of detail, very colorful. Here's the label. I believe this dress is linen. The sell-through rate for Anthropologie is 12%. If you want to learn more about Anthropologie brands, because it's a store that sells their own brand and other designer brands, you can check out my other video on Anthropologie brands. It's a 2-part video. I go over 60 Anthropologie brands that are selling on eBay with their labels, and sometimes it's hard to catch them, so check it out. Next we have Tommy Bahama. This dress sold for $39.99 and $10.85 shipping. It's a sleeveless linen with a leaf palm print. Here's the tag, and this is an extra large. This dress is linen and viscose with a cotton lining. Sell-through rate is 34%. Up next is Eileen Fisher. This dress sold for $46.74 and $4.99 shipping. It's a linen collared shirt dress. Here's the label, and it's 100% linen. Sell-through rate is 29%. Now we have Banana Republic. This sold for $24 and $7.35 shipping. This is a sleeveless sheath dress with a scoop neck. Here's the label. This dress is rayon, nylon, and spandex. The sell-through rate is 6.8%. Lauren Ralph Lauren. This dress sold for $46.40 and $9 shipping. It has a great ruffle sleeve. Here's the tag. And it's made of mostly polyester with a little bit of elastane. The sell-through rate is 24%. Zara. This dress sold for $31.99 and $6.15 shipping. It's a wrap dress. Here's a label. This is 100% viscose. The sell-through rate is 15%. St. John. This dress sold for $74.95 and $6.55 shipping. It's a beautiful black and white lace with an animal print underneath. Here's the tag. And it's made of rayon, wool, and polyester. The sell-through rate is 28%. Tommy Hilfiger. This one sold for $24 and $8.99 shipping. This is another shirt dress. It's a button-up, it's got a belt, it's long sleeve and collared. Here's the tag. And it's mostly cotton with a little bit of elastane. The sell-through rate is 15%. This next brand has the most solds of all the brands listed. Free People. This sold for $25 and $8.95 shipping. They're known for a bohemian style, so this is a peasant blouse shirt dress. And the tag is this small little piece of metal that's been engraved. If you haven't seen that before. This dress is 100% cotton. The sell-through rate for this brand is 15%. Adriana Papel. This one sold for $30 and $6.60 shipping. It's a lovely lace dress, short sleeve. Here's the tag. This dress is nylon, cotton, polyester, viscose, and elastane. Sell-through rate is 11%. Our last brand is Athleta. This one sold for $34.99 and $9.75 shipping. Here's the tag. Has a little sun logo. It's made of cotton, modal, nylon, and spandex. The sell-through rate is 16%. As always, we hope this information was useful to you. Please like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Let us know which item categories you'd like us to research in future videos. Thank you for watching!